Hello learners, good day. So here we are now at the learning task 1 for the third week of our first quarter. So there will be only 2 learning tasks for this week because we had a meeting regarding the learning tasks that the teachers are giving to the students. Therefore, we have decided to lessen your works and the task that we are giving. So you are preferred to do learning task 1 and 2. So for learning task 1, these are the instructions. So we are going to make an illustration so on a separate sheet of paper. So let us illustrate a C with the following. So this is the example of a C. So for letter A, we have to draw a crab 5 feet below sea level. So you have to indicate that the crab is 5 feet below sea level. So in this case, I used Mr. Krabs because this might be a good idea and a fun for some of you that Mr. Crab is a representation of a crab. And for letter B, you are going to draw a cliff 3 feet above sea level. So in the first sketch, which has been an example of a sea level, meron ng cliff na nakalagay. So for letter C, you have to draw a flying bird 4 feet above sea level. So here is an example of a flying bird. So this is a character from Angry Bird. So that's it. Then you are going to attach the photo that you have done, the photo of your work attached to the output. If you can't do it, if you can't attach the photo, then simply attach a file, then attach your selected photo so that I can see your work. Then after that, after drawing, after making an illustration, you have to answer the different questions given in your learning task. So for number 1, so wait, I just lost it. So for number 1, what number might be a good representation for the sea level? So let us look at the sea level. So dun sa sea level, wala naman pong number na naka-indicate. Wala siyang sukat na 5 feet above or below or some other numbers. So let us just say that representation of a sea level is what number? So this might be a 0. So number 2, how do you represent the distance below and above the sea level? So you are going to represent the distance below and above. So galing sa baba papunta sa taas or sa taas papunta sa baba. Number 3, how far is the cliff from the sea level? So based on your illustration and based on the instruction. Number 4, how far is the bird from the sea level? Number 5, how far is the crab from the sea level? Number 6, what is the distance between the cliff and the crab? Now you are going to count the distance between the cliff and the crab. Number 7, what is the distance between the bird and the crab? You are going to count the distance between the bird and the crab. So in that case, you are going to use a vertical number line to help you out in the illustration. So a number line is like this, 1. So that should be in a vertical form. So if you have questions, kindly send your message directly to me or to my cell phone number. You can also call me based on the schedules that were given to you by your advisors. So that's all for today. Goodbye.